Hey guys, so I've had this lock for almost 6 months now and I really like it. If you remember, I have another movie about it. It's still holding up really good. So I decided to get a second one and put it on my other door. If you remember, my original lock used this app, TT Lock. And you can see here that it's been so long and the battery is still at 90%. So the battery of it lasts pretty long. The new lock, so this is a new lock I have today. What's nice about this is it has fingerprint option, and you can use IC card, and I don't know what it is. So out of the box, you get a decent manual. These are templates for your door to figure out where to drill the extra hole, just like we did the other one. And then this is the back of the lock, really nice finish, and the fingerprint on top. That's the front end of the inside of the lock, and it seems bigger than the other one, but it doesn't matter. Batteries go here. Also the back plate for the door. And they actually give you some tools to install it. A gateway that works with it. Basically, you plug this into power and connect it to your Wi-Fi, and the lock just connect to it. So taking out the old lock. Okay, make sure that it says up, put it up. Okay, so you should have two templates. Basically, where it says front of the door. So the new hole I need to make is right here. Right, so we're gonna make a through hole at the point that I made. Okay, so before I could put the front piece on the front, find this piece and screw it here. Alright, so I got this pin in on top. Make sure the lock is in open position. Slide it in to the door and the top hole that we made, like that. Then test this, see if it opens and closes. Now you're ready to continue. We're gonna need the 3 of these screws. Push the cable to the side. Install the plate and then put these 3 screws. It's good. Now I'm ready for my top piece. So because I'm open, make sure you're in open position. Here, there's a switch here. If your door hinge is on the left, you need to be on the left. If it's on the right, you need to be on the right. Gonna connect the connector. The tab is on top. Goes in. Now this cable is pretty long, so push it all the way in. Good. Okay, so battery's in. You can see it powered up. So on the phone, I'm gonna open my app. Same app. Just gonna go in and add lock, door lock. Okay, before I start pairing, make sure you set it. There is like a button on the bottom. Hold it and then put the battery in. Okay, now the lock is added to the app. I can rename it. I'm gonna say garage door. And you can see my garage door is on top, 100%. The bottom, the front door is a 90% battery. I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna try to lock it. So this is unlocked. Lock it. Now it's locked. So. Right, I showed the app before. It's really the same thing. If you wanna generate codes, e-keys, etc., passwords, you can make passwords here and set up the fingerprint. It's right there. So I'm gonna add fingerprint, and now I'm gonna follow the on screen and set it up.
Please press again. Please press again. Input successful.
Okay, so that's first fingerprint. Okay, so to add the main password, go to basics, go admin password, and here you can see my existing password. I'm gonna add the new one. Okay, just added the new password.
Unlocked.
And that's how I unlock it. Okay. Now I'm gonna change the password. Alright guys, that's about it. So if you have any questions, let me know. But so far it looks very nice. I'll try to...
Unlocked.
Okay guys, so I got a few fingerprints on it. This thing's really nice. The IC cards is the same thing. You could have this on your keychain to lock it and unlock it. You add it on the app, and then as soon as it comes close to it, it just unlocks it. Alright, this is it. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. This thing is really nice. I think I'm going to get a second one and replace my front door.